In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a custom pattern in TradingView Pro. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what to look for, and how to get everything set up so you can start using your favorite custom patterns on your charts without any confusion. First, make sure you're logged into your TradingView Pro account and you have a chart open. It can be any market or time frame. What matters is that you can see the main chart window. Once you're on that screen, look toward the top of the interface for the button labeled Indicators. This is where all the built-in tools, scripts, and community indicators live, and it is also where you'll be accessing your custom pattern. Go ahead and click on the Indicators button. When you do, a new panel or window will pop up, usually in the middle of the screen. At the top of that panel, you'll see a search box. This search box is the quickest way to find exactly what you need, especially if you have a lot of indicators or scripts available. Click directly inside the search box so you see your text cursor blinking. Now type in the name of the custom pattern you are looking for. Make sure you spell it correctly, and if you are not sure of the exact name, type in the main keyword, like custom pattern, and wait for the results to populate below. TradingView will start filtering indicators and scripts as you type, and you should see your custom pattern appear in the list if it is available to your account. Once you locate the custom pattern in the search results, simply click on it. As soon as you do that, TradingView will apply it to your active chart. You should now see the pattern overlay, lines or signals that belong to that custom script right on your chart. If you want to adjust any settings, you can usually do that by hovering over the indicator name on the chart and opening its settings menu to tweak inputs, colors, or visibility. If you are not yet on TradingView Pro, or you want to unlock more advanced features and a smoother experience, you can use my affiliate link in the description to upgrade to TradingView Pro. That helps support the channel and also gives you access to the tools you need to make the most out of custom patterns. And that is all there is to it. Open your chart, click indicators, use the search box to find your custom pattern, and apply it to start analyzing the market more efficiently.